Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy here with another one. I'm here at Haulover. Just doing a little blogging here and there. I haven't done it for a while. Feels good to be in Miami. This is how they do advertising nowadays. Straight off the boat. Definitely catches your eye, right? Real nice. Fun fact about this inlet in Haulover. Back in the 80s, this used to be what they called, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this used to be the cocaine entrance for all the major smugglers right in through here. And on that other side that you see over there, that is Ball Harbor. This inlet actually separates Haulover from Ball Harbor. It's pretty nice out there. It's like a rocky pier. A lot of people go out there fishing. Real nice. There's a lot of YouTubers that come on the weekends to watch crazy stuff with this current, with the boats going in and out. Little barbecue area here in Haulover. Today is Monday, so not a lot of people out here, but just chilling. It's the kind of vibe I like. We have the famous Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Pretty chill. On the opposite side, we have where all the weekenders come out and boat. It's a little beer can island is what they call it. Can't really see it, but it's real nice. Come and chill. It's like a little sandbar. Park their boats and just chill. A lot of drinking involved. You can jump in the water. It's about 3 feet deep. Pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm back. Your boy is back.